Which statement, if true, would most strongly support the claim made by Bergner and colleagues about the cause of Oumuamwa's acceleration? Initially observed in 2017, the interstellar object Oumuamwa is the first object of its kind to be seen in our solar system. Researchers have been puzzled because its acceleration cannot be entirely explained by the gravitational pull of nearby bodies. There must be a non-gravitational influence on its velocity and trajectory. Some previously suggested explanations for this non-gravitational acceleration involve mechanisms that are unlikely or unrealistic, such as geometric effects from Oumuamwa's being potentially composed of severally spatially separated bodies. Now Jennifer Bergner and colleagues propose that the non-gravitational acceleration is due to the gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen from Oumuamwa's high water-rich icy body. So the claim made by Bergner and colleagues is that the non-gravitational acceleration is due to the gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen from the object's water-rich body. So this is focusing on gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen. This is the focus of the claim. So let's look at the evidence that most strongly supports this claim. A. Existing proposed models of outgassing from Oumuamwa indicate the direct conversion of nitrogen or carbon monoxide from a solid to a gaseous state without becoming liquid, but these models have theoretical or observational inconsistency. This is incorrect because the claim made by Bergner is the gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen, so the main gas is hydrogen, not the other gases mentioned in option choice 1A, which are nitrogen or carbon monoxide. So because option choice A focuses on these two different gases other than hydrogen, A does not support the claim and is therefore incorrect. B. Oumuamwa's trajectory is inconsistent with a non-gravitational acceleration that would be caused by the release of hydrogen gas resulting from the processing of water ice. But the interstellar object's observable properties can be explained if it has a significant component of molecular hydrogen ice, H2. This is incorrect because this opposes the claim made by Bergner, which is that the gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen is the cause of the non-gravitational acceleration. But here it says that the non-gravitational acceleration is inconsistent with the release of hydrogen gas. Therefore, this first part is going directly against the claim made here. And the rest of the sentence is merely proposing a different method for explaining the non-gravitational acceleration. Therefore, B is incorrect. C. Since non-gravitational accelerations of interstellar objects are several orders of magnitude weaker than gravitational accelerations, deviation from behavior that could be fully attributed to gravitational pull has been detected on a limited number of objects similar to Oumuamwa. This is incorrect because one of the key aspects of this answer choice is that has been detected on a limited number of objects similar to Oumuamwa. This is highlighting that there's objects similar to this object, but this is not the case because in this first sentence it highlights that Oumuamwa is the first object of its kind to be seen in our solar system. So because this is the first object of its kind, there are no other similar objects to it, and therefore option choice C, which introduces other similar objects, is wrong. D. Exposure to interstellar cosmic radiation can result in the formation of embedded pockets of hydrogen gas and water ice. Moreover, when traveling through the solar system, Oumuamwa experienced warming sufficient to alter its icy structure and allowing for outgassing. So this is the correct answer because this highlights the gaseous expulsion of entrapped hydrogen. So it highlights how the hydrogen gas is stuck in the water ice, which is entrapped hydrogen, and that when it's traveling through the solar system, Oumuamwa experiences warming to alter its icy structure and allow for outgassing. So this shows that there's outgassing caused by the expulsion of entrapped hydrogen, and therefore option choice D correctly supports the claim made by Bergner, and therefore D is the correct answer.